the only way to learn to write a novel is to write a novel. Usually when people talk about your first novel, they talk about your debut, like the first book you published. And I know very few published writers who published the first novel they actually wrote. In my experience, most published authors actually write 4 or 5 or half a dozen or even 10 novels before they have one that's really publishable. I don't think that has anything to do with whether you're a good writer. I think it's just that the only way to learn to write a novel is to write a novel. Revision and reading my own work deeply is where I figure out what I'm actually talking about. Revision is where I find all of the kind of like subterranean themes that are coming to the surface, and that's where I go, ooh, interesting that my subconscious coughed that up, and maybe that's actually really important, and maybe we bring that to the surface. Or like, maybe I have some knee-jerk things in here that don't need to be there because it's not actually serving this narrative. Don't be afraid of big changes, because big changes often mean big improvements. We did a draft of Hot Wax in-house that I started calling Draft 666. It was the 6th draft of the book. It tried to kill me twice. That's a separate story. But it just ended up being that the thing we had to do in that draft was I ended up cutting 40,000 words of material and generating 60,000 words of new material in a little less than 3 weeks.
Oh,
And
your hands, your hands.
it was horrific and I did want to die, but at the end of it, I was like, yeah, that needed to be done. We needed to do that. We needed to do that. It fixed the book, and it was as soon as I sent that draft back to both of my editors, because my UK editor was fairly involved as well, they were both like, yep, that's it. Now it's starting to sing. The process of writing a book is writing the same book over and over and over again until you figure out what the right version of that book is. And that sounds really tedious, but this is not a business for impatient people.